Hi, this is going to be a really short video because I was unpacking and I found something that I haven't seen for 2 years, and you're going to think it's weird, but my friend Shannon bought this for me on my birthday like 4 years ago, and yeah, this is what it does. The tag's in the way. And that's it. And yeah, that's my video that I have not made in a really long time. I was planning on making another one, but I'm too lazy and I'm pretty bummed because of the Super Bowl. So, meh. Anyways, I'll make another video soon, probably like next weekend. And yeah, my hair is up right now and I'm in desperate need of a haircut. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.